సార్ ఒక నిమిషం
సైలెన్స్ సైలెన్స్ ప్లీజ్.
Silence, please. Please, silence. Please, silence. Silence.
Silence, please.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నమస్తే. Thank you everybody. Thank you for all your love and support. And I've received so much support and love from all over. Each and every one of you from everywhere. Thank you each and every one of you, especially my fans. Thank you so much. At ఈ అవర్లో రావట్లేదా? ఇంకొంచెం దగ్గరకు వచ్చారా? ఓకే 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 గట్టిగా మాట్లాడతారు. ఓకే I'll start again. Namaste. Thank you. I'd like to thank everybody from all over for all your love and support. Thank you so much. I'm genuinely touched by everybody's love from all over the country and everywhere, from all the industries, all the people, all the states. Thank you so much for all the love, and especially my fans. Thank you, Andy. Thank you. I love you, my fans. Thank you so much for your unconditional love and support. And of course, I cannot finish it without saying the thanks to the media. Thank you so much. I like to thank the entire media for all your love and support. Thank you, Ante. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you.
Sir, may arrest with the conference ఏమైనా ఉందా సార్? Sir, may arrest with the conference.
Anything else?
Sir, do you feel you were targeted? This is a fabricated case booked against you. Do you feel you were made a target?
Sir, Bunny garu ninna ఢిల్లీలో
I just wanted to say
Like the emotions that you have gone through and your family has faced.
కామెంట్ చేశారు. సో దాని మీద
అల్లు అర్జున్ గారు వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీకి ఏం చెప్తారు? చనిపోయిన కుటుంబానికి ఏం చెప్తారు?
నేను ఒకటే చెప్తానండి. Once again, we're extremely sorry for the family, and I will personally be there to support them in whatever way possible. It's purely accidental. మేము సినిమా థియేటర్ లోపల I'm inside a cinema theater watching a film with my family, and an accident happened outside, I was inside a theater watching a movie with my family, and the accident happened outside. It's purely of no direct connection to me. It's purely accidental, purely unintentional, and my love and sympathies are genuinely there with that family, and I'll be there I'll be there to support them in whatever way possible. And I've been coming to the same theater for the last I've been coming to the same theater for the last 20 years, and I've been to the same place more than 30 times, and never any accident like this happened. It is purely unfortunate accident, and we're extremely sorry for the accident that has happened, which is totally out of our control.
Did you follow the same procedure every time that you have informed the police?
I don't want to get into all the details. This is what it is, because as the case is on, I should not speak anything that will tamper the case, so I'd like to reserve my comments. Yes, of course, family kalustaniki wait chestunam. Yes, ante. Thank you andarki. Thank you andi. Marosari thank you for the media love and support. Thank you andi. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, he does not want